Hello, and welcome to the WordPress for Beginners online course. My name is Brian. Thank you so much for joining our class. In this course, you will learn how to install and start using your own WordPress site or a blog. Why to use WordPress? You're probably wondering why not Wix or Weebly or other website building software, but WordPress? Well, WordPress is by far the most popular open source content management system used by approximately 75 million websites. WordPress is free to install, deploy, and upgrade. Thousands of plugins and templates power a flexible and simple interface, which reduces development costs and deployment time. And, most importantly, WordPress sites tend to rank higher than others in search engines, as it is written using standard compliance, high-quality code, and produces semantic markup. This makes Google and other search engines love WordPress. Now that we can clearly see the benefits of the WordPress, let's get started with our first lesson.